You're going to start with chain 4, double crochet in the first chain. That will be our first V-stitch. Then you will chain 2 and make 4 double crochet down that post. This is just like all of the other feathers we've worked. Here's my chain 2, my 4 double crochet. Now I'm going to make my picot stitch. Now I've got myself turned to the right, and I'm going to work my 5 double crochet. So that is my first feather. Now I'm going to chain 4. Okay, so this will be row 3 on your written pattern of the additional feathers section. You're going to double crochet in the same as the chain 4, chain 1, V-stitch in the center of feather, chain 1, V-stitch, and the top of that first double crochet of the previous rose feather. Okay, now this will be row 4, which is chain 2, 4 double crochet down the side, that picot stitch, turn to the right, 5 double crochet, so my 5 double crochet, I'm gonna open it up, slip stitch in that next V. I'm gonna work my 5 double crochet on the first post of that next V-stitch. Do my picot stitch. Now I'm going to open it up and do my 5 last double crochet on this row. Now we will work another V-stitch row. This will be row 5. Chain 4, double crochet in the same, chain 1, V-stitch, chain 1, V-stitch, chain 1, V-stitch, chain 1, V-stitch in the top of that double crochet from the previous row. Then we're going to chain 2, work 4 double crochet down the first post of that V-stitch. Chain 3, slip stitch in that back hump, rotate your work, 5 double crochet up the next post of that V-stitch. Then you will open up your work and slip stitch into the next. Rotate your work, feather, slip stitch, feather. So 5 double crochet into the next post. Picot stitch, turn your work and work 5 double crochet, open it up, make that slip stitch into the next V, and then work a feather into that last V stitch. So 5 double crochet, picot, 5 double crochet.